Hi Year 12s, just wanted to make sure that we're all aware of where we can find the meeting, a Year 12 assembly that's running Wednesday during Discovery. So you either can find the link through your email. However, if you have accepted the email, that will have disappeared. So now you need to go to Calendar, and this will be here regardless whether you've accepted it or not. If you click on Calendar on your MS Teams, you'll be able to see the meeting scheduled for you. Okay, so if I just scroll up here, so it should be Year 12 assemblies, okay, and if you actually click on that, yours will look a little bit different to mine because I've created the meeting, but you'll be able to see that there's some information on there, okay, so if I scroll down a bit eventually, once my screen loads, the information that I sent about where to find, how to log on is all underneath. Okay, like so, and these pictures aren't open here, but there is a couple of pictures there that will show you. But tomorrow when you log on at 10:15, okay, this will actually say join, all right, where my mouse is hovering now. You just click the link and then you'll be on. Please make sure that you are muted and your video is off as you enter. The meeting will be recorded from start to finish. So just to be aware of that as well, is that we expect the best behavior from you guys tomorrow. We have some really important content to get through. I'm really looking forward to knowing that I'll be able to talk to you all at the same time. So let's make sure that we are on our best behavior so we don't jeopardize the meeting having to finish early or any further consequences, okay? If you have any questions on the day at 10:15 when you're maybe struggling to get on, please message your Discovery teacher on MS Teams and they should be able to lead you in the right direction. Okay guys, I will see you at 10:15 on Wednesday. Have a great night and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.